We all know I love a very simple makeup routine, which is why my edit from Ciaté is so perfect with everything you need to take you from day to night. Starting with the eyes and the chocolate palette. So the joy of this palette is that they are so very, very highly pigmented that it's very easy to build up the color as you go along. A little bit something different for the night. A little bit more drama. Now to complete that smoky eye, I also like to just smudge a little underneath. Club level eyes for a night out. To give even more drama, in with the eyeliner, Fierce Flicks in brown. Like for the day, it's very easy to apply. I just add a slightly thicker line for the night. And you can even do a little underneath. Now finishing those dramatic eyes with the WonderWand mascara. This really does add volume, lift, and just lengthens those lashes to complete that smoky statement eye. Now, the fourth piece of your kit is the Dewy blush in Watermelon. Now the kit, remember, is £45 instead of 77. And this looks scary, but is brilliant. A little goes a very long way, and you can just layer it up as much as you need. Finishing with the everyday Vacay Lip Oil in Coconut. This is nourishing, it is hydrating, and it is the perfect contrast for your lips to go with your smoky eye.